Okay, did you work on these before you're looking at this answer key video? Let's check it out. So number one, does the square root of 4x squared plus 16, does it equal 2x plus 4? Because that would be what this is alluding to, right? And in the lecture video, I showed this wasn't true. So is this the case? What'd you guys do? Good, you remembered from that lecture video that I mentioned in order to take the square root, you need a multiplication problem, right? Because the square root of 25, you know, is 5 because 5 times 5. Square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4. All right, so I need a multiplication problem here, if I can get one. What are you going to do? Factor. Here we go. So you can factor out the 4, right? And what are you left with? X squared plus 4, okay? Does the x squared plus 4 factor? It does not. Okay, so since this is a multiplication problem, that means technically you can look at these separately and say the square root of 4 times the square root of x squared plus 4. I can take the square root of 4, that's 2. Can I take the square root of x squared plus 4? Good, you cannot. Why? Because of the addition sign. I always say addition and subtraction act like super glue. You can't pull them apart. And I don't care how good of a solvent you have, you can't pull them apart. So this simply becomes 2 times the square root of x squared plus 4. It does not equal this. Good? All right, very good. How'd you do on number 2? Oh, you factored again. Great, I'm agreeing with that. So tell me, what did this factor to? X plus 5 quantity, that means parentheses, times the quantity of x plus 5. Very good. I have 2 of a kind, don't I? Just like the square root of 9 is 3 times 3, which means the answer is just 3, what would the answer be here? Yes, the answer would be x plus 5. Almost. Remember, you can only take the square root of positive numbers, right? So you need to keep x plus 5 in absolute values to make certain that this remains positive. Good? Well done. Okay, so on the lecture video, we have the square root of x squared minus 9. We could do nothing with it. It stayed as is. This problem, when you factor it, a 4 factored out, which means we'd separate it since it was multiplication, so you could take something out. And in this one, I could actually take the square root of that polynomial by making it a multiplication problem and realizing I have 2 of the exact same parentheses. But remember, when you take the square root or the 4th root or any even root, you need to make certain you keep your answer in absolute values because your answer is always supposed to be positive. Good? Okay. Have fun, guys. Catch you on the flip side.